Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to remove the background from an animated GIF, especially for making fun projects, slick presentations, or just upping your meme game, you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take a GIF, strip out the background using Canva's latest tools, and keep all that animation perfectly intact. Let's jump straight in, it's easier than you might think. So we'll start by heading over to Canva. If you don't have an account, no worries, it's free to sign up and these steps work with the basic version. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right and click that big Create a Design button. This is where all the magic begins. Now, instead of choosing something like presentation or Instagram post, go ahead and select videos. Even though we're working with a GIF, using a video canvas lets us maintain the animation. Think of it as laying out a stage where every frame of your GIF can perform exactly as it was meant to, without accidentally turning it into just a static picture. Once the video workspace loads up, look on the left side of your screen and find the Elements tab. This is Canva's treasure trove of graphics, but in this case, you actually want to upload your own GIF. There should be an Uploads tab there as well. Click on that, then hit the Upload Files button and browse for the animated GIF you want to work with. Give it a few seconds. Don't worry if it takes a little while to upload, especially if your GIF is on the larger side. Once it's in, drag and drop your GIF right onto the video canvas. Adjust the size or move it around as needed so it's centered nicely. Now, here comes a clever little step. Since Canva doesn't let you remove the background from a GIF directly, what we want to do is covert it temporarily. Head up to the top right and click the Share button. You'll notice one of the options is to download. For file type, pick MP4 video. Download your design as an MP4. What we're doing here is converting the animated GIF into a video file, so Canva's background remover can actually work its magic, because the tool is built for video, not GIFs. Once you've got that MP4 downloaded, we need to bring it back in. So just like before, go back to the Uploads tab and upload the new MP4 you just saved to your computer. It might feel a bit like we're playing ping pong with the file, but trust me, this little workaround is what unlocks the background removal tools for your animation. Drag the uploaded MP4 back onto your video canvas. Now here's the fun part. With the video selected, look for the Magic Studio panel at the top, or sometimes it's just called the Edit Video button. Click on that and you'll see Canva's background remover tool pop up. Go ahead and hit it. The tool will process each frame, so if your animation is extra long or detailed, this part might take a few moments. Just let it run, you'll see the background being peeled away, almost like erasing the paper behind a drawing, but keeping all your animated action intact. Once it's done, take a quick look through your animation to make sure everything looks good. Sometimes, with complex backgrounds or very fine edges, you might notice little bits left behind, but Canva does a great job most of the time. And that's it, you now have an animation with the background cleanly removed, ready for layering over any new scene or design you want. So if this guide helped you unlock a new Canva skill, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know down below if you ran into any issues. I love hearing from you and helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips just like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.